Hello everyone, welcome to Life Philosophy Talks. Doctor's warning: elderly over 70 should avoid bathing at these 4 times, even if they have body odor. Serious consequences. Aunt Lee is usually very particular about hygiene. After a busy morning in the kitchen, she always feels like her hair smells of cooking oil and insists on washing it to feel fresh. However, one afternoon, while bending over to wash her hair in the bathroom, she suddenly lost consciousness. Her vision went black, and she collapsed to the floor. Fortunately, her family discovered her in time and rushed her to the hospital for emergency care. After a medical examination, the doctor diagnosed a possible sudden stroke, believing that her posture and movements while washing her hair may have triggered the incident. Aunt Lee was puzzled. How could something as ordinary as washing her hair lead to a stroke? Should she stop washing her hair altogether? 1. Can washing your hair cause a stroke? Bathing order matters too. For most people, taking a bath is one of the day's greatest pleasures. It not only cleanses the body but also helps to wash away fatigue and relax the mind. This is especially true for the elderly, who find sitting down to unwind after a bath to be one of the most relaxing moments. However, as we age, even simple daily activities like bathing can become more delicate tasks requiring special attention. As in Aunt Lee's case, incorrect posture and movements while bathing, particularly when one's body is in a weakened state, can potentially trigger cardiovascular events. Older adults need to be particularly cautious while bathing since their physical capabilities decline, their blood vessel elasticity reduces, and the risk of cardiovascular diseases increases. Studies have shown that bathing and washing hair with water that is too hot or too cold, using improper postures, or being overly vigorous can cause blood pressure fluctuations and lead to issues like cerebrovascular spasms. These seemingly small matters can become the hidden culprits behind serious health conditions like strokes or heart attacks. There are even reports that washing your hair first in the shower may increase cardiovascular strain. Research suggests that when water first touches the scalp, especially if the water is cold, blood vessels in the brain may suddenly constrict, creating a dangerous situation. Japan's Nick and Gendai magazine once published an article about bathing practices, stating that about 14,000 people die each year from improper bathing, particularly when done at the wrong time or in unsuitable conditions, making cardiovascular accidents more likely. Although the claim that washing your hair first causes illness is somewhat exaggerated, elderly individuals, in particular, should pay attention to these details. In addition, scholar Rodney D. Sinclair from the Victoria Skin and Cancer Foundation has studied the order of bathing. He found that washing the body first allows hair to benefit from a warm, humid environment, which is especially beneficial for those with dry or brittle hair, like many elderly people. However, if you have acne or sensitive skin, it's better to wash your hair last to avoid leaving shampoo chemicals on your skin, which can worsen skin problems. Therefore, the bathing order should be adapted to individual needs. 2. Doctor's advice: elderly over 70 should avoid bathing at these 4 times, even if it means skipping a shower. Once people turn 70, their body functions start to decline, and small missteps can easily lead to health problems. Doctors emphasize that the elderly should avoid bathing during these 4 time periods, even if they feel uncomfortable. The health risks are simply too high. First, don't bathe immediately after waking up. Many people like to shower right after getting up in the morning, thinking it helps them wake up faster. However, the morning is when the body's sympathetic nervous system is most active, causing blood pressure to rise and heart rate to increase. For elderly people with conditions like high blood pressure or coronary heart disease, bathing at this time, especially with alternating hot and cold water, can place excessive strain on the cardiovascular system, increasing the risk of stroke or heart attack. Elderly individuals should wait and move around for a bit after waking, allowing their bodies to fully wake up and stabilize their blood pressure before showering. This helps avoid sudden blood pressure fluctuations due to temperature changes, reducing health risks. Second, don't bathe right after eating. After eating, blood flow is concentrated in the digestive tract to aid digestion, leaving the brain relatively deprived of oxygen. If you shower immediately after a meal, your body will divert even more blood to the skin to regulate temperature, further reducing blood flow to the brain and increasing the risk of stroke. The elderly should wait at least 1 to 2 hours after a meal before showering to avoid dizziness, heart palpitations, or other discomforts during bathing, especially in cold weather when the risk of cold-induced complications is higher. Third, don't bathe right after exercising. Many elderly people enjoy morning or evening exercise and often feel sticky and uncomfortable afterward, prompting them to want to shower immediately. However, after exercise, body temperature rises, and sweat pores open up. Showering right away, especially with cold water, can cause pores to close suddenly, leading to colds, weakened immunity, or even other illnesses. It's best to rest for a while after exercising, allowing the body to return to a more normal temperature before showering. The water temperature should also be moderate, to avoid skin irritation or discomfort. Fourth, don't bathe when you're extremely tired. Older adults' immune systems are often weaker, especially when they feel extremely fatigued. If you take a hot shower while exhausted, it can overburden the body, making fatigue worse and even causing low blood sugar or dizziness. When feeling very tired, it's best to rest for a bit before choosing a suitable time to bathe. This prevents the body from becoming even weaker due to overexertion. 3. 4 key bathing tips for elderly over 70. In addition to choosing the right time to bathe, elderly individuals should pay attention to these 4 key points to ensure a safe and comfortable bathing experience. First, avoid scrubbing too hard. Many people like to scrub their skin hard, believing it helps remove more dirt. However, as we age, our skin becomes more fragile. Excessive scrubbing can damage the skin's protective barrier, leading to dryness, flaking, and even infections. Elderly individuals should choose gentle cleansing methods without scrubbing too hard. Second, try not to lock the bathroom door. Older adults should avoid locking the bathroom door while bathing, especially if they live alone. Sudden accidents in the shower are not uncommon. Leaving the door unlocked or informing family members when you're showering ensures that help can arrive quickly in an emergency, preventing serious consequences from delayed assistance. Third, choose suitable bath products. As people age, skin becomes more prone to dryness and sensitivity. When choosing bath products, avoid highly irritating products like soaps or shampoos with strong chemicals. Opt for moisturizing, gentle body washes and shampoos that help maintain the skin's natural barrier and prevent damage during bathing. 4. Pay attention to water temperature. Water that's too hot can strip away the skin's natural oils, leading to dryness, itching, and other skin problems. For elderly individuals, the ideal water temperature is between 98 to 102 degrees Fahrenheit, 37 to 39 degrees Celsius, which is effective for cleaning the body without damaging the skin. Conclusion: bathing should be a relaxing and enjoyable activity, but for elderly individuals over 70, timing and method are critical. Avoid bathing at the wrong times, choose the right products, and maintain a suitable water temperature to protect your health while enjoying your bath. You don't need to bathe too frequently. Practicing proper bathing habits not only keeps your skin healthy but also provides better overall care for your body. That's all for today's sharing, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our content, please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can be the first to get the latest video updates. Thank you for your support.